Hey there, Pi enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting video where we dive deep into the world of Pi Network. Want to earn more Pi every day? Well, you're in the right place because today, we have something special for you. You're in the right place. We're going to explore a fantastic way to boost your Pi earnings significantly. Today, I'm going to show you how you can maximize your Pi earnings by setting up a Pi Network node. This is a game changer for anyone serious about Pi. First things first, what is a Pi node? You might have heard the term, but let's break it down. Think of a Pi node like the backbone of the Pi network. It's an essential component that keeps everything running smoothly. It's a computer that helps verify transactions and secure the network. Without nodes, the network wouldn't be as robust or secure. In doing so, you help maintain the integrity of Pi and in return, earn more Pi. Sounds awesome, right? But there's more to it. So, how do you set up a Pi node on your computer? Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. It's simpler than you might think. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Head over to node.minapi.com and download the Pi node software. This is your first step towards becoming a crucial part of the Pi network. Once installed, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your node. The process is user-friendly and straightforward. Make sure your computer meets the minimum requirements: good internet connection, decent processing power, and enough storage space. These are crucial for optimal performance. And that's it. You're now part of the backbone of the Pi network. Now let's talk benefits. What do you get out of running a Pi node? By running a Pi node, you're not just contributing to the network's security, you're also boosting your Pi earnings. The more you contribute, the more you earn. Nodes are rewarded with Pi for their essential role in maintaining the network. This means your efforts are directly compensated. So, the more reliable and consistent your node is, the more Pi you can earn. But wait, there's more. Running a node has additional perks. Running a Pi node isn't just about earning extra Pi, it's about being part of something bigger. It's about being part of a decentralized future, a future where power is distributed and not concentrated in the hands of a few. In a world where centralization often means giving up control, Pi nodes ensure that the power stays with the people. This is the essence of decentralization. The more nodes there are, the more decentralized and secure the Pi network becomes. Your contribution makes a significant difference. So, whether you're a longtime Pi enthusiast or just getting started, setting up a Pi node is a win-win. You earn more Pi and help the network grow. You earn more Pi and contribute to the network's growth and security. What's not to love? It's a rewarding experience on multiple levels. Alright, Pi fam, that's it for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to set up your own Pi node. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you, and if you have any questions about setting up your node, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy Pi earning. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Pi network experience.